Stay focused. Get focused if you're not focused. Every minute you're on the damn Instagram is another minute you could have got better. Sorry, I'm just trying to be real with you. And get freaking passionate. Get passionate about yourself. Get passionate about being an expert. And it won't matter where you work. You'll make money. It won't matter what your territory is. You'll make money. It won't matter what the hell is going on with the economy, who's dying, what's crashing, who's starving, what the problems are, whatever that poison is on the news. Pick your poison, pick your network, I don't care. The world's coming to an end every day. If you're passionate about your ability to get people's attention, have skillful conversations, determine if you can help, articulating to them how you can help and what the lift is, and closing in a non-pushy manner, and then being next step obsessed. If the deal doesn't close, you can create your own little freaking universe. Things will be easy for you. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're gonna get access to the class. It's gonna show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.